From the home page, click the gear icon in the right upper corner and select Setup. Click on Users under Administration. Click the New User button. Fill in information about the user. On the right side of the page, choose Role. User License. Profile. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and fill in the Manager field as an approver for absences. Click Save to create a user. On the User Record page, scroll down to Permission Set Assignments. Click on Edit Assignments. Choose PM, Employee and Personal Resource Planner from the available permission sets. Add it to Enabled Permission Sets. Click Save. From the home page, click the Employee object. Click New. Fill in the employee name and all required information. Scroll down to fill in the Manager field. Click Save.